Hi friends, this is Bijita. Welcome to my channel once again. Today's lesson is going to be very important for you. It is going to be crucial for you as it is a very common real-time scenario across the globe, and it is a very common question being asked in any interview. So I would request all of you to watch this video thoroughly, to watch this video carefully, and to come up with your questions if you have any doubts. So let us start. The topic of our discussion is rounding off. Okay, now what does that mean? Say for an example, we are going to purchase any product from Big Bazaar, Spencer, wherever it is. We may choose many products which we are going to purchase. Say we are choosing 5 products including toothpaste, toothbrush, this one, the maida, atta, and all these things, all these grocery products, and finally the total invoice bill comes up. Say for an example, 411 pound and 30 cents. Okay, it may happen. Summing up all the values of your product is becoming some decimal places. Okay, now while we pay the bill, if the decimal places is more than 50, then our amount gets 1 rupee added, and if the 1 rupee or 1 pound or 1 euro to be added, and if your decimal places is less than 50, then your amount remains as it is. Means your amount remains. Say if it is 411.30, then your amount becomes 411, and if your amount is 411.60, then your amount becomes 412. That is what it is, and that rule is been followed across the globe to round it off, because nowadays we do not have the exact amounts on our pocket, and also the paise, the cents, these things has become obsolete in any country. So we always depend upon the round figures. So if our invoice amount, if our bill amount become the amount with some fractions, become the amount with some decimal places, then we always try to pay the exact amount, the rounded off amount. So that means what? Once you are posting the invoices, once you are preparing the bill, there the exact amount will be shown, right? That is 411.30. But once the customer pays the bill, then he will only pay 411. Okay, that means where will be the 30 cents going to? That 30 cents will be going to the rounding of GL. That's what it is. That's what the common mechanism is. So for that, definitely we would require to have a GL account map in our system. So all these things I'll be showing you now. So first of all, I am going to a transaction, that is FBKP. FBKP is the transaction. Here we are able to see there is a option automatic posting. I'll just click on this. Now we do have another option, cash discount and payment differences. I'll double click on this one. Here in the last option we are getting an option payment differences by reason. The transaction key for the same is ZDI. Now this is only the rounding off. How we are understanding? Because here it is written payment differences by reason. Obviously it is a difference amount. So I'm just double clicking on the same. I'm entering my chart of account, pressing just pressing enter. Here I'll be choosing my rounding of GL. So I have clicked on the F for help here. It will be coming up, I mean all the accounts will be coming up, and I'll be choosing my correct GL here. So I'm giving my company code, and based on the same, system will fetch the list of all the GL accounts that it has. So amongst them I'll pick up my required GL, that is the round of GL. So this is the round of GL. I have already prepared the GL master for rounding off. I'll just show you how I have prepared the round of GL. FS00 is the transaction to display the GL master. I have gone to, and here I will be displaying the round of GL account. Now it is taking a bit time to appear. In between in FBKP I have given my account here. The account is now been assigned against the ZDI transaction, so I'll just save it. I have clicked on the save button, thus it will be saved. Transport has been generated, so I'm just saving it. The changes has been made, that means it is saved. That means my account has been mapped, my account assignment has been done for round off. Okay, now here I'll be displaying the round of GL. The round of GL has been maintained here against the profit and loss account. The name, the description has been given. Now going to the control data, here I have chosen all the relevant fields and all the relevant options. Here I have selected the line item display, short key given, and obviously the chart of account has also been given. And here please note, I have chosen post automatically only, and it should be, because no one should manually use this GL, because round off round off should be happening automatically. We should not manually doing anything rounding off. Okay, so it is done. Now the configuration is also done. Now I'll just post few entries to show you how round off works. Okay, so I'm going to post a customer invoice in FB70. Going to FB70 transaction to post a customer invoice, to post a customer billing. So it is a standalone customer invoice, as we all know. So going inside the FB70, it will be appearing, and there I will be posting a customer invoice. And as you all know, the document type for customer invoice is DR, has been displayed here. So let me give current date as posting date and document date. Posting date and invoice date, both I am giving as per current date. So customer, I have a customer 305, round off. Okay, now I am giving the amount. Say I am giving the amount as 411.30 euro. Okay, GL account, let me choose 208, which is a stall rent. Amount would be same here, as we all know the debit side would be the same of credit side. Now going to choose a cost center here. Okay, now click on the simulate button. Credit limit exit, let it exit. My credit limit has been exited as per the credit maintained, so it is showing us such a warning. So let it be, no problem at all whether at all credit exits or not. I have clicked on the simulate, thus the accounting entry would be popping up. The accounting entry would be customer debit to expenses, as it happens for the invoices. So yeah, it has been appeared as expected, so I'm just saving it, customer debit to stall rent as expected. So I'm just saving it, so our document number would be posted. it may again take a bit time in order to post a document. Once the document gets posted, then after we will be going to do the payment, and customer payment happens in the transaction F-28. F-28 is the transaction to post a customer payment. Okay, and before that, once this document number gets saved, it has been posted. Okay, now we will go to the FBL5N to display how it looks like. Going to FBL5N, note the document got posted 702 is my document number. So I am going to FBL5N to display the customer balance and to check the invoice that has got posted against it. Yes, my customer is 305, choosing all item and choosing the date, that is 31st of August 2021. Just pressing the execute button. List would be generated, list would be displayed. So waiting for the list to come up. The document that has just got posted would be displayed there as it is an invoice document. Okay, so yes, it has been appeared with the DR document type. As I mentioned, DR is a customer invoice. So the amount as we have entered, that is 411.30 euro. So it is been displayed successfully. Now let me keep this session as it is. Let me go to the other session to post a customer payment, and the transaction to be used for customer payment is F-28. Let me go to F-28. Here let me put posting date is 31st August 2021. Here also 31st August 2021. DZ is the customer payment document, that is also fine. I am choosing my bank account, that is 101. Amount it is asking for. Anyway, let me give the customer account here. Okay, now I am going to the amount. My invoice amount was 411.30. Okay, as it is below as the decimal places is below 50, the customer has decided, say for an example, to pay 411, and not only decided, it is by the rule, if your amount is if the decimal places of your amount is below 50, then customer will obviously pay 411 only. Okay, so my customer is paying 411, so I'll be putting the amount here 411 only. Okay, now I'll just click on the process open item. Fine, document date is in future, that is fine. I'm choosing the future date. Okay, so it has all these documents open. Now however, mine is this one. Okay, I'll turn off every item except my item. These all were open at that at this point of time, that is why all the invoices has come up, but my intention is not to pay them all, rather to pay my document, that is 702, which was an invoice document. Let me go to the FBL5N screen. FBL5N screen, and see, the 702 was my invoice document. So here I am choosing 702 only, and it is marked as blue. That means this is only I am paying. Now see, assigned is 411.30, means the invoice amount, and amount entered is 411.00, means the amount that I have entered here, means the amount that I am intending to pay. So balance is 0.30. Now the balance amount my customer won't pay. I will not receive the amount for 0.30. So okay, now the entered amount is 411. I am fine with it. I'll go ahead with this. Now I'm just clicking on this overview button. Fine, the bank amount has been appeared with 411, that is fine. As my customer is paying 411 only, so my amount coming in to my SBI bank account, is 411 as shown perfectly. Now again I am going to document and simulate. See, it is coming up perfectly. Customer was debited with 411.30 here. Now the customer is being credited here with 411.30, means the debit amount is being nullified with the credit amount in full, that is fine, by the bank, that is 411.00, as the amount coming in the bank is 411 only, and the difference is going to the round of GL as maintained in the configuration with the balance amount, that is 411.30 minus 400, that is 0.30. So the rounding of rule has worked perfectly fine here. Now as it is been appearing in blue color, that means in the below it is saying correct the marked item, that means there must be something inside. Value date was not given, so I am just giving the value date here. Okay, the value date is given here. Now I am just pressing this button, document overview button. Now all the items are appearing correctly now. Bank account debit 411, customer account credit 411.30, and the balance is going to the round of GL, that is 0.30. Perfectly fine. Now I am just posting this one. Document is now posted. Fine. Now I will be going to the FBL 5N once again to check what has happened. Now all item, again today's date, again executing. See, 411 was the invoice amount, 411.30 is the clearing amount. Perfectly fine. Now the customer is cleared in total. Okay, that is what is expected. I am going to display the round of GL. There should be 0.30 FBL 3N. This is my round of GL, all item. Just executing it, all item. Let me give today's date. I have not given today's date. 31. Yes, today's date I am giving. Pressing execute button. Yes, 0.30 is remaining here, which is absolutely fine. That amount has got posted only. Now I will be going to the SBI bank account, my bank account, and there 411 should be there. All item, current date. Yes, 411 is there. Absolutely fine. So I hope this much is clear to you. If it is not, then please put your comments in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all of your query. And if you have liked the video, then please like and subscribe the channel. And please note, it is a very important lesson being shared with you. Please watch the video thoroughly, watch the video carefully, so that if this kind of question comes up in your interview, so you can crack the interview then. And it is a very common scenario being used in any business across the globe, so you will get a understanding of a real-time scenario as well. So thanks for watching the video. I'll surely come up with some next video within few days. Till then, keep watching the channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.